Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here and welcome to my little main cave. As you have watched the title of this video already, the all-new Eachine Airloader, the upcoming new ultra-long-range FPV aircraft, and I will also be able to show you some of the footage we agreed to leak to you showing the actual Eachine Airloader airplane and some of its key features. Now, if you want to get more and regular updates and info about Eachine Airloader, check out the link in video description for the only official Eachine Airloader fans group on Facebook. And please feel free to join the group. We welcome you warmly in that group and stay updated for all the updates. Remember, that group is for the owners and the fans of Eachine Airloader, so you can get all the updates, tips, videos, and everything in that group as well. So according to the specs posted on Banggood website, the plane has a 1,280 millimeter wingspan, length is 820 millimeter, it's made of durable EPP foam, maximum takeoff weight, the plane can take 1.5 kg. I'm sure we'll be able to push a bit more. We are the real FPV crazy pilots right here. We're gonna go crazy with that plane. Next, the maximum speed the plane can take is 110 km/h. Stalling speed is only 30 km/h. Wow, this means you can fly it very slow to get some of the footage. From the pictures you have already seen that the plane can be configured as twin motor planes, where you can also add differential thrust, making it much more responsive in the air when it comes to turning and yaw. Or if you want to save costs of installing two motors and two AESs, you can even configure it as a pusher, which the PNP version, as Banggood says, will be released as a pusher only. And if you want to go crazy like the real FPV pilots like us do, you can even install 3 motors on this plane, and you know what that means. Taking the craziness to next level. Now, to the real clips from the factory. Check this out. This is the beauty sitting right there. You can see that's the actual plane. It has some really tough pads on the bottom for it to land, and yes, it can take off from ground as well. Trust me, the testing has done that. It takes off from ground just fine, even with a single pusher motor. The plane has plenty of airflow inside the fuselage. There are air inlets at the side of the plane. There is air inlet from the nose and very nice airflow inside the fuselage over the electronics to keep them cool during the flight. Now check this out, the easy attaching and detaching of the wings, because this is a key feature for the transportation. Such a big wingspan plane, you do want to remove the wings easily and be able to put the wings back up easily. Even if you have a smaller car or you want to carry it in a backpack, somehow be tricky about that. But even in the smaller cars, you have to remove the wings. You can see in the background from the pictures and this little video clip, the wings now have specialized connectors just like DJI Phantom 3 battery that provides a very easy connection for the servos in the wing to the flight controller. No more detaching and attaching the cables when you are taking the wing on and off. So now you have a very easy to connect wings with these specialized connectors. Let's talk about the space, the fuselage space the plane is offering you for you to install even bigger batteries in it. There are 2 compartments, very easy to access. Top compartment opens easily. You can even install a VTX in there. I'm going to talk about how many places you can install the VTX in. You can easily open the top compartment. You can easily open the forward compartment for putting the batteries in and out. The top compartment definitely makes it very easy to access all the flight controllers and other accessories that you have put in there. Now check this out. If you want to install an airspeed sensor for your flight controller and Eachine Airloader, an airspeed sensor tube add-on is already provided, which you can install on top of the hatch. And if you want to put a camera on top of the hatch, you can move this airspeed tube add-on to left or right of your plane. How cool is that? Now in these clips you can see various places for you to install your cameras. You can install the camera at top of the plane. You can install the camera in the nose. Basically, nose also takes HD action sports cameras like GoPro 7. Up to GoPro 7 you can easily install in the nose without any issues. You can install Firefly 8S, you can install Aiken H9S, and any other such cameras with similar dimensions easily can install in the nose, including your FPV cameras. In these clips, you can easily see how many different places you can install your VTX. You can either install the VTX on the tail boom. If you're running a pusher configuration, the propeller will keep your video transmitter. Very, very cool. And you can also install, if you are running twin motor configuration, you can use the pusher motor or rear motor space to install your video transmitter, or you can install the video transmitter in that little place on top hatch, which actually opens up. Thank you very much for watching this video update. Stay tuned for the actual video review of Eachine Airloader. Inshallah, the Eachine Airloader is coming my way very, very soon, and I'll be able to show you in details everything about the Eachine Airloader. I will fly it as a twin, as a pusher, and yes, as I said, real crazy FPV pilots like us, we would like to go crazy with 3 motors and see what this plane can do. So stay tuned for all the upcoming updates, and once again, check out the link in the video description for the only official Eachine Airloader fans group on Facebook. Welcome to join and stay updated for all the upcoming information, updates, videos, pictures, and much more about Eachine Airloader. And obviously, you will watch everything on my channel about the Eachine Airloader as well. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.